2 pieces chicken, 1/8 cup all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon pepper, 1/8 teaspoon baking powder, 1 egg slightly beaten, oil enough for deep frying, 1/8 cup breadcrumbs. These are the procedures. Remove wingtip and discard. Separate the middle and lower wing segment. With a knife, push meat including the skin into the tip of the bones so it looks like a lollipop stick. In a bowl, combine flour, salt, pepper, and baking powder. Dredge the flesh tip of each chicken wing lollipop in the flour mixture. Dip in egg. Dredge again in breadcrumbs. Heat oil and deep fry the chicken lollipop until golden brown. Remove from pan and drain in a paper towel. Garnish. Let's serve with all-purpose salsa.